Nando from Snap-on Rack Panels, here today at Markertek. We're here to introduce our innovative line of fabric blank rack panels. That's right, these lightweight rack panels are made of solid Cordura or mesh for ventilation. These lightweight panels attach to any rack, case, flight packs, or cabinets, and they just snap on and off in seconds without any tools. It allows you unlimited access to internal components, and they just snap on and off in seconds. In addition, the solid units can also be used to cover sensitive rack equipment to protect it from the harsh field environment. Available from 1 unit space to 8 unit space, the Snap-on Rack Panel is not just any blank panel, it's a solution. Available today at Markertek.